Ladies and gentlemen, your homework for tonight is to research one of the new navigational technologies that was either developed during the Renaissance or it was improved during the Renaissance. On the back of the packet that we researched in class, you will find all of the new navigational technology that had big impacts on the age of exploration. You can choose any one of these pieces of technology to research, except the backstaff. Do not research the backstaff. Okay? So that means you have the choice of the quadrant, the cross staff, the magnetic compass, the sextant, and the astrolabe. On a side note, the cross staff, which you will see here, is also known as the Jacob's staff. J-A-C-O-B' staff. Okay? For your homework, you need to write down what technology you're choosing for number one. Then you're going on to identify who invented it, when it was invented, the approximate time period. Then in 3 to 5 sentences, you have to describe the invention and its purpose. Tell us what it did. Tell us how it was used. Okay? And then last, you need to answer the question, how did the invention impact exploration during the Age of Discovery? So, did it increase exploration? Did it decrease exploration? And why did it increase or decrease exploration? What about it influenced exploration, positively or negatively? Okay? Now, your research is going to be done using databases on the middle school library's website. So you're going to go to www.wellsvilleschools.org through Safari, and then you're going to click on Our Schools, and you will see the options for middle school. You'll click that. Then you'll go down in the menu margin over here in black and click Library Media Center. When that opens up, you will have some options up here, and you will have more choices over here. The first option for research as a source of information is going to be the Gale Student Resources and Context. When you click on that, it's going to be asking you for a password. The password for the Gale Student Resources and Context is WELS_LOG. I'm going to be sending you an email with these login passwords today, so you'll have them. Once you've logged in, you simply search your topic of interest, which would be your navigational technology up here in the search box, and then you would go through and review the articles that come up as options, looking for the required information about your invention. Beyond the Gale Student Resources and Context, you'll go back to the Wellsville School District Middle School Library Media Center, and I will have you click on Database and Search Engines. When you click on that, it'll open up this page that says Database and Subscriptions, and you'll scroll down. As you scroll down, you will see these options for databases to use as sources of information. The first one that I would like you to explore and use will be the Britannica School Encyclopedia. When you click on that, you'll be asked for a login as well. And the login or password for that is WELLSVILL and the number 1. The password is the same, WELLSVILL1. Once you're logged in, click on Middle and search in the middle school section for your navigational technology. You might have to look at several articles until you find the information that you need that's required by your research note template. Okay? So this all has to be filled out. The last resource that you can use for your research is going to be the Grolier Online Encyclopedia. When you click on that, you're going to be asked for your username and password. The username for Grolier is CASLS, and the password is also CASLS. Again, I'm going to be emailing you all of the passwords and usernames for these resources, so don't worry right now. When you type those things in, you click go, and in a moment it will hopefully open up. You're going to want to make sure that you're on the middle school tab, so you click middle school, and then up here where it says find it fast is where you would type in your choice of navigational technology. And again, just like the other resources, you're going to have to look at several different articles to find the information that you need. Remember, for your research, you have the choice of, if you look on the back of the research packet we used today in class, you have the choice of the quadrant, the cross staff, which is also known as the Jacobs staff, J-A-C-O-B' staff, the magnetic compass, the sextant, and the astrolabe. Do not research the back staff. Okay? If you have any questions, see me, and make sure you get this started today or tonight, because for some of you it might take longer than you think. You need this research to be done for next class as we put together a presentation on it. Have a good one.